Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals in 1 week. First, let's get organized. Start by creating a realistic study schedule for the next 7 days, allocating specific times for each subject. Prioritize your most challenging courses or those with higher exam percentages. Make sure you have all your notes, textbooks, and any other study materials readily available. This initial organization is crucial for maximizing your limited time and reducing stress as you approach your exams. Now, let's talk about effective study methods. Don't just passively read your notes, actively engage with the material. Practice active recall by quizzing yourself regularly on key concepts. Try explaining difficult topics aloud to an imaginary audience or a study partner. This helps identify gaps in your knowledge. Aim for deep understanding rather than rote memorization, as this will allow you to apply information more effectively during your exams. Spend about 25% of your study time on active recall. While studying intensely, it's vital to maintain your well-being. Prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. Incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so to avoid burnout and keep your focus sharp. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and fuel your body with nutritious meals. Taking care of yourself physically will directly impact your mental clarity and study efficiency. For your final push, focus on reviewing past exams and practice questions to familiarize yourself with the format and common question types. Identify any remaining weak areas and dedicate extra time to solidify those concepts. Remember, consistent effort over the week is more effective than cramming everything the night before. Also, for those looking to streamline their busy study schedule, check out the link in the description for some great deals on leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful tools. Good luck with your finals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.